I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Kia Sorento plug-in hybrid. Understanding your charging options is key to maximizing its electric capabilities. Your Sorento PHEV features a 13.8 kilowatt-hour battery, providing an impressive electric range of approximately 30 to 35 miles. This allows for many daily commutes to be completed without using any gasoline, significantly reducing your fuel consumption and environmental impact. Level 1 charging is your most accessible option, using a standard 120-volt household outlet. Simply plug in your Sorento PHEV at home for convenient overnight charging. This method provides about 5 to 6 miles of electric range per hour. While it's the slowest option, taking around 10 to 13 hours for a full charge, it's perfect for topping up your battery while you sleep, ensuring you start your day with electric power. For quicker charging, Level 2 is your go-to. This uses a 240-volt power source, either a dedicated home charger or public AC stations. Your Sorento PHEV onboard charger accepts up to 3.3 or 3.8 kilowatts, allowing a full charge in approximately 3.5 to 4 hours. The charging port, a Type 2 connector, is conveniently located on the right rear side of your vehicle for easy access. To get the most out of your Sorento PHEV, make charging a regular habit. Plug in whenever you can, whether at home or public AC stations, to keep your electric range ready. Remember, your Sorento PHEV is not equipped for rapid DC fast charging, so focus on Level 1 and Level 2 options. Consider using smart charging features to schedule charging during off-peak hours, potentially saving you money on electricity costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.